Did you know Loki once conquered all of Asgard without making a single sound? While Thor and the gods celebrated another victory inside the Golden Halls, Loki stood silently outside the gates. The gods had one fatal weakness: they loved boasting so much they never noticed quiet threats. As laughter echoed through the palace, Loki slipped inside like a shadow. Every god was drunk, telling loud stories of their own greatness. None saw him glide through the halls, placing cursed objects in their chambers. Poison went into Odin's private wine collection. Cursed berries appeared in Frigg's beloved garden. Corrupted runes slipped into Thor's hammer holster. The contrast was eerie, thunderous celebration above, silent sabotage below. When the feast finally ended, each god returned to their rooms. One by one, they triggered Loki's traps. Within minutes, every god lay unconscious. Loki emerged into the silent halls, master of Asgard without drawing a single weapon. Sometimes the quietest victory is the most complete.